See students, in this chapter, chapter number 8, one more concept is given, which is simple interest and compound interest. So first upon we try to understand its a formula, its a explanation. Okay, so see, simple interest and compound interest. So first, interest occurring on interest is called compound interest. Okay, compound interest किसे बोलेंगे? इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर भी अगर हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, इंटरेस्ट occurring on interest is called compound interest. The interest calculated by the method in which interest yield interest is called compound interest. यानी ऐसी मेथड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करने की ऐसी मेथड जिसमें इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर भी हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, उसको हम कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कहेंगे, राइट? See, second, in interest is added to the principal at the end of predetermined period of 6 months or a year. ओके, इंटरेस्ट जो है वो प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर हमें कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, वो प्री डिटरमाइन होता है, यानी पहले से हमें पता है कि पीरियड ऑफ 6 मंथ है या पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर है. द अमाउंट सो ऑब्टेन इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर द सेकंड पीरियड एंड सो ऑन. ओके, और उसके बाद फिर जो हमें अमाउंट मिलती है वो हमारी कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगी नेक्स्ट पीरियड की प्रिंसिपल. ओके, बाय दिस मेथड बाय ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग इंटरेस्ट वी गेट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. और इस तरीके से हमें जो इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करते हैं ये मेथड जो है उससे हमें क्या मिलता है? कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सी, if no clarification is given about when the interest is compounded, it is to be understood that the interest is compounded annually. ओके, कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं होती है तो हमें क्या समझना है? कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट जो है वो क्या है? एन्युअली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now see formula to find the simple interest. So it is SI is equal to PRT upon 100 and A is equal to P plus SI. Okay, so see here where SI means what? Simple interest. P means what? Principal. R means what? Rate of interest. T means duration, time. Okay, and A is equal to amount. Okay, see, A is equal to amount and the formula of A is equal to what? P plus SI. P means principal, SI means simple interest. Okay. Next is formula to find the compound interest. See, if the interest is compounded every year, अगर every year calculation होता है compound interest का, तो the formula for compound interest is what? So A means amount. A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. Okay, P ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखेंगे? 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100, और ये होल जो ब्रैकेट है उसकी पावर जो हो जाएगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? n. ठीक है, और उसके बाद ये हमें अमाउंट मिलेगी. ओके, फ्रॉम द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला वी विल गेट amount, and after that we find compound interest. So how? So we subtract principal from amount, then we will get CI means compound interest. Okay, and this formula is used only when the interest is compounded every year. Okay, and see, if the principal is compounded every 6 months, the formula is differ. Okay, so it is as follow. See, A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 into 2. Okay, raised to power n into 2. राइट, अगर 6 मंथ कैलकुलेट होता है तो हमें क्या करना है कि 100 जो है डिनोमिनेटर में उसको 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और जहाँ पे पावर n है वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई 2 करना है. ओके, दिस इज द डिफरेंस. एंड CI compound interest is equal to A minus P. Right, so here the explanation is given. So A is equal to what? Amount. P is equal to what? Principal. R is equal to what? Rate of interest. N is equal to what? Duration, period in years. In years. Okay, and CI means compound interest. Okay, clear students? So all this formula and point you have to write in your notebook and practice it and try to learn it. Okay students, thank you.